This is my R-52 ceiling fan from Richard Moss. It's from New Orleans and it dates to about 1939. It's been customized. You can see the switch housing was drilled out for lights and added with pull chain for the light and a lavalier pull chain for the speed control. And it's a transformer based speed coil. This is the tag. It's hard to see in this lighting, but I'll turn the fan on and then it'll brighten up the lights. But this is Fulton, New York manufactured. I've found these shades elsewhere. I like them on here as opposed to those gigantic ones. So I'm just going to flip the switch and get this thing started on high, and then I'll show you the other speeds, and then I'll flip the blades so you can see it on updraft. This is downdraft. So here is it from off to high. Moves pretty good air. Show you how it runs on medium. Let me cut one of these off for the video. Okay, that's running on medium. Give you low. Give you a low speed. Off. I'll just go ahead and stop it. Flip the blades. I'll just run it on low for you. Alright. High, medium, low. There we go. And when you put it on updraft, it does quite a nice job of moving slowly. So if you don't want much air, just put it on low updraft. Still get some decent air, but not an extreme airflow like on the other settings. And I'll just do a quick spin down from low for you. There we go. Thank you very much.